All right, people, how's everybody doing out there? This is your host with the most. How's everybody doing again, and again, and again, and again? Hopefully, everybody's having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. So, it actually looks like the transition is happening and happening and happening. I hope you guys were able to get the forks that I put out for y'all, the fork video. I hope you guys watched that. If you want to have multiple setups, I mean, it really, I always just do it every year just so people can have some options. Shout out to my guy Nature Man for this one. He actually got a family one too, but I tried this one first. Everything's on the up and up here. Widgets, I did hide my widgets. Let me just take y'all through it real quick. I mean, I'm gonna be real with y'all, man. I'm gonna be real. You're always gonna get, some of the same things, as far as menus. So I haven't really been going through menus and stuff like that. I just don't see the need for it. I mean, if it's gonna, it's gonna be the same every time, majority of the times. I mean, seriously. Now, with this particular setup, your RTMP input and everything is gonna be already there for you. You don't have to do that. Let me see this. This is already on. Your enable autocomplete is already on. So things for the most part is on the up and up here. Really nothing, nothing really I can tell you to do that I haven't told you already. All right. I mean, sometimes it can get tiring saying the same thing over and over. Please, people, don't forget to hit your advanced settings. Just go into your wizard, go into your maintenance, and as you can see, advanced settings here. Never forget to write this. Please, please, people, don't. I mean, your experience just won't be the best. All right. So whatever device you guys have, just it is what it is. Nothing too major here. I will tell you guys also, let's go on the system. And I always used to do this. I like to go to my player. I know some people have things about this, but me personally, this is what I do and it works. When I don't do it, I don't like it. I like to have mine on 100, but I am on the shield. You got to know what kind of device you guys have too. That's a very important thing here. What your device is capable of. I've had Android boxes that run this just well, even better than the Shield. Enable your HQ scalers for scaling above, and this is just really key for me. Like I said, my email and everything will be at the beginning of the video. If you guys have a problem, please don't hesitate to email me. If it's a problem that I can't type, I will give you guys a number. You will be able to contact me and things of that nature. But a pretty decent build. I'm feeling this one. Let me know how you guys like this one. If you get a chance, like, share, and subscribe, but most of all, comment. Please don't forget to hit the notification bells, people. As always, I'm hoping you guys are having a blessed, peaceful, and a productive day. Love and peace for all. Never forget, it is good to be good, and it is bad to be bad. I'm going to see you guys on the next one, y'all. Peace.